Let's make pea soup with marjoram, and serve it together with speck and homemade croutons. You will need peas, onions, garlic, flour, lard, speck or bacon, salt and pepper, marjoram and white bread. Cut 50 grams of speck into small pieces. If you want, you could use bacon instead. Peel and dice 2 onions. Heat up a pan, and add 1 tablespoon of lard. Add the speck pieces, and fry them, until they are crispy from all sides. Remove the speck from the pan. Add the chopped onions. Fry the onions, until the edges turn brown. Peel 3 cloves of garlic, and put them through a garlic press. Stir in 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Fry everything just briefly, and add 1 kilogram of peas. I am using frozen peas, but you can use fresh peas. Cover the peas in boiling water. Simmer the soup gently, for 10 minutes. While the soup is simmering, we will make the croutons. Cut white bread into small pieces. I am using 1 piece of ciabatta bread, but you could use any other type of white bread. Toast the bread pieces in a dry hot pan, without any frying oil. Once the bread is nicely crispy from all sides, remove the croutons from the pan. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add the pepper to the soup. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Puree the soup, using a food processor. Stir in 2 teaspoons of marjoram, and boil the soup for another minute. Serve the soup in a bowl, with the croutons and the speck pieces on the side.